Hello, good morning everyone. So in environmental study, okay, we were at plants, okay, that was your chapter I titled as plants. So we have completed till types of plants, okay, in which you have read about how many types of plants are there, isn't it? So we have read trees, shrubs, herbs, okay, creepers, climbers, these all are the types of plants. Now we will read climate and plants. Okay, what is the role of a climate? Okay, how does a plant grow according to the climate? Okay, every plant needs some favorable climate to grow. Okay, every plants or every trees, every fruits have their own season, okay, to grow. Okay, but nowadays in cities every fruits, every vegetables are available 63, 65 days, 12 months, but they are by some chemicals are used to grow it, but they are not suitable for us. It is a very it can be dangerous. Okay, so there is some questions. Do you have a garden in your house? You have to write that whether you have a garden or not. So this is your question. Can you tell whether grapes are obtained from a tree, shrub, herb, climber or a creeper? Now tell me, where does a grapes grow? It can grows into a creepers. It does not support a mechanic. It does not need a mechanical support. That's why it grows to a creepers plants. Okay. Now moving towards our today's topic, that is climates and plants. Okay, now I have written here cactus, lotus, mango, spruce. So they all are an example of it. How? I will tell you. Sunlight, water, soil and air are called friends of plants. Now sunlight, it helps to plant grow. Okay, water, it helps the seed to get inside into the soil. Okay, now soil is the main factor of a plant. Without soil, where we will sow the seeds. Okay, and air is the most atmospheric it creates an atmospheric environment towards the plant. Okay, now they all are the friends of plants. Without their support, a plants cannot be grow. Okay, because they help plants to grow. As I told you, why they are friends of plants? Because they help plants to grow up. Okay, plants or a climate of a place decides the type of soil and water availability at that place. Now the type of soil, there are so many type of soil. Take example of red soil, black soil, laterite soil, alluvial soil. Okay, they different types of soils are there. Okay, so they decide the future of a plant. Okay, in which soil types of plants can be grow or not. Okay, and the water availability. If the water is not there in the desertic area, water is not there now, so it can depends upon the atmosphere also. Okay, every plant requires the right amount of sunlight, water, soil to grow. As I told you, every plant can grow according to the availability of sunlight, water and soil. Okay, hence climate, a place decides that each type of plants will grow in that place. Okay, now climate. In climate, what can be there? It can be atmosphere, that is there can be air, sunlight, okay, rain. So these all are belongs to climate. Now although plants grow everywhere, but all plants cannot grow at all places. Everywhere you can see plants are there. There can be grasses also, there can be plants also. Okay, so but not every plants can grow everywhere, but like grasses and everything they are not fruitful plants for us. Okay, so in deserts where climate is very hot and dry with rainfall, you will find plants like cactus. Now where does cactus grow? This is your question. Now cactus grow in a desert area. Okay, it grow in desert area where the area is hot. Okay, and no water availability is there, and very humid temperature. Okay, it's a very hot temperature is there. So cactus grow in that particular area. There will be only one S. Okay. Now moving towards plants like lotus and duckweed grow in water. Now there are certain plants who grows in water, like lotus. It grows in water. Okay, moving towards trees like mango and teak grows in places where climate is hot and humid throughout the year. Now where does mango grows? It can grows in hot places. Okay, so mango is the fruit of summer season. When summer season start, April, May, June, mangoes grows. You eat mangoes in that season. Moving towards spruce. Fire and spruce grows in mountainous region where climate is very cold. So cold places. Now spruce does not give any fruits. Okay, you have seen triangle type tree, na, like Christmas tree. You have seen Christmas tree. So like that, spruce is a tree like that only. It's cold places. Okay, so cactus grows in desert area, lotus grows in water, mangoes grows in hot places where humid throughout the year, and spruce grows in cold and some mountainous region places. Okay. Now name two plants that bloom only in cold weather. Can you tell me two plants that can only grows in cold weather? That is your question. Find it. Otherwise, I will give you the answer. Okay. Thank you.